Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by signing into the exact Microsoft account linked to your files. This ensures you access the correct OneDrive. Once signed in, open the OneDrive web portal in a browser. It shows the full Recycle bin interface, or open the OneDrive app on Windows for quick links. Make sure to check which account is active if you use multiple profiles, because otherwise deleted files may appear missing from the wrong account. Next, navigate directly to the Recycle bin. In the web portal, click the Recycle bin entry on the left menu under Quick Access. This lists deleted items with details. If you're in File Explorer, open your OneDrive folder and choose View Online to reach that same list. Once done, use the search box and filters date, file type, or size to narrow results, because OneDrive retains many deletions and filtering speeds. Finally, select the items you need and click Restore to return them to their original folders. This preserves versions and metadata. If you want a free space, choose Delete permanently, but be aware some items auto-delete after retention windows. Make sure you act before that expires. If files aren't visible, check OneDrive retention policies or the tenant-level admin recycle bin, because organizational rules or sync issues sometimes move files out of your personal view. Contact your admin if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.